Yeah, I actually came because of the roundtable discussion, because that's the main format here. I think that's quite unique, and in contrast to many of the traditional meeting we go, we see presentation and we always kind of form our opinion, but we never get to have question and answer and some points as a roundtable. I think that's your uniqueness, and you should definitely keep that tradition on. And that actually adds a lot of value, because when we go to traditional conferences, we always come across this what happened. We really talk about what will happen. So this roundtable format actually gives us some group discussion platform, because we rarely come in table and discuss and throw each other's new ideas or controversial ideas sometimes. So that process actually is required. So that's what I think is very unique for this particular meeting, and I think you should keep doing that.
Yeah, I attended two and led one. So the roundtable that I led today was focused on sustainability. Spoke about primary, secondary, tertiary packaging, which my company, Pele Biothermal, focuses on. Then I also went to another roundtable discussion this morning and had the chance to learn a little bit more about clinical trials and the operations around. I'm a little bit newer to the clinical industry. I have some familiarity with commercial pharma, so it was a good chance for me to engage with some folks in that line of business.
Yeah, I think it went quite well. We tried hard to structure it so that there was, so we followed your lead, maybe how to do it. And yeah, it worked. It worked well. I think a lot of chat, and they opened up quite nicely. Gave me a chance to exhibit the services that we have, and also to talk in a sort of non-salesy way about how the whole system works. So yeah, I think it was good. I've had a few people come back to me. Yeah, effective.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. There was a wide variety to choose from too. So no matter where you came from, what your background is in, there was something for you. So that was great.
At 5, yep, all well scheduled, and yeah, it's great. This is a new area, clinical operations for me, so not only do I get to learn a lot, but I'm also hopefully have some new things to share with folks that they've never heard before. So,
yeah, I had about 5 one-to-one meetings, very well scheduled by the team here. Had some good conversations with some folks, some opportunities that came about because of it. Had the chance to learn more from the clinical operations side of the business, and had the chance to educate some people on what our company does as well.
So I think we started with a roundtable in the morning, there was a keynote speaking in the morning, and then we had about 6 meetings, one-on-ones. So it was a pretty intimate conversation that we had, good, interesting conversations.
I did, and I thought they were great. We had great conversations, and we were able to go through all of our capabilities and discussions on what they needed. So I thought it really went well.
I was pleasantly surprised by how organized this event was, being able to have those all set up and tailored, and everyone showed up and have, like I said, again, great conversations, to meet new people and just learn and collaborate, hear some new ideas of what's going on in the industry.
Yeah, it was a great mix. From founders and CEOs to to kind of frontline folks. So I think the mix is important.
Yeah, I thought it was a good mix. It's important to have a balance between higher level folks and lower level folks, just to understand again just where the decisions lie, how things actually operate within this industry is very important. So having the chance to talk to decision makers as well as the people that are implementing projects and things like that is a good mix of people.
I think the level of seniority at the meeting is good. These are people who are interested in what we have to say and what we do, and have a level of you have enough here who have a level of seniority to be able to make decisions when they go back home. So I think the seniority level was quite good.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think that's the best part about it. It was such a diverse mix of people at this event, where you really get to see people at ground level, and then also founding the leaders of companies. So I thought it was a great mix for our conference.
Sure, it will be my pleasure. Thank you.
I already messaged our marketing team today, so we'll see us back here next year.
Of course, you're putting me on the spot, of course. Of course.
Almost certain. Yeah.
Fantastic.
We've been doing this, working with you guys for over a year, and really enjoyed it.
Fantastic.
I would have to give Nigel a call and let him know that this week went very well. I hope that will lead us back to being here again in Boston next year.
Well, I would think so. And it's been a good meeting, and the people we've had a chance to meet are definitely worth it. So why wouldn't you?
Fantastic.
We'll definitely take a decision on that very soon. I definitely know I'm coming back for the food. It was great food. I would recommend you keep the catering on like that, whatever you did.